Strong coin price prediction. Can token regain growth? StrongBlock is the first of its kind decentralized platform attempting to make launching nodes, necessary for the smooth running of blockchains, cheaper and easier. Its native cryptocurrency, Strong Token, has had quite the journey since launching in 2020, enjoying a rather fruitful 2021. Yet since then, the coin started to dramatically fall in the second half of January 2021, unable to reach past heights. Can Strong rise back to its October 2021 value, and which factors are driving the Strong/USD forecast? Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. What is the Strong coin? StrongBlock was founded in 2018 by blockchain pioneers David Moss, Brian Abramson, and Corey Lederer with the goal to easily add secure, decentralized blockchains to any application. It had taken the company, however, 2 years to launch its blockchain-as-a-service (BaaS) platform. By tackling one of the biggest problems new blockchains face, StrongBlock managed to become the first and only blockchain-agnostic protocol that rewards its users for running nodes. As of the time of writing, April 1st, StrongBlock is rewarding 444,676 nodes. Over 138,000 coins are currently in circulation, according to data provided by CoinMarketCap at the time of writing. Strong currently has a market capitalization surpassing $16 million, £12.2 million, and is ranked as the 828th largest cryptocurrency. Strong price analysis, bear trend. The Strong cryptocurrency embarked on quite the journey during its 2 years in circulation. After reaching a record high of $1,193.31 on October 28, 2021, the StrongBlock coin failed to regain those levels, slumping to the $116 mark as of April 1, 2022. After a mini peak of $708.97 on January 14, 2022, the Strong token started to drastically drop, losing 35.48% of its value in 10 days. Throughout February 2022, the Strong coin value lost 47% amid broad negative market sentiment as tensions rose on the Russia-Ukraine border. StrongBlock Strong price prediction 2022 to 2025. Despite the latest downward price action, algorithm-based forecasting service Wallet Investor gave a bullish Strong crypto price prediction at the time of writing, April 1st. The site noted that Strong is an awesome long-term investment, adding that it has a long-term earning potential amounting to 1,343.3%. Based on its analysis of past price performance, Wallet Investor predicted that Strong could cost $460.507 in 2023 and reach $1,751.200 by 2027. Digital coin price supported the positive Strong/USD forecast, but saw a much slower pace of growth in the following years, expecting the token to grow to $167.83 by the end of 2022 and reach $248.68 by the end of 2025. By the end of 2027, the site predicted that the price of Strong coin could reach $376.08. Its long-term Strong token forecast showed the cryptocurrency reaching $553.34 by 2030. Strong token price prediction, key drivers. On February 28, 2022, StrongBlock published its roadmap for 2022, underlining some key goals including the launch of its new token, Stronger, which plans to solve a number of problems that followed the success of the NAS/DApp. The release of several new features including 2 new, different types of nodes, a node marketplace, and node transfer. The platform's intention to build a Layer 1, EVM-compatible blockchain protocol that will be known as StrongChain, with the bigger goal in mind of moving its NAS platform to StrongChain and creating a community-oriented model that will unlock new economic layers, increase sustainability, make Strong more resilient, and lay a new foundation for growth. Big One Exchange chair in Asia, Andy Lien, told Capital.com that the token's price could be struggling due to the platform being unable to gain retail investor understanding. Strong brings more decentralization to the current decentralized space by offering multi-chain third-party external nodes and other data oracles to build robustness and efficiency, Lien exclusively told Capital.com. They believe the best way to adopt blockchain is through DAO governance and reward the community sufficiently. This idea works well on the paper, but may not be well understood by the retail investors as a whole. Things might change when they list in the more major exchanges, he added. Thus far, the Strong token has been listed on ChainSwap and Poloniex exchange. In the recent announcement by the project, StrongBlock warned investors to beware of scams, suggesting it has been prone to attacks in the past. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.